Very blessed po kami na nabigyan ng bahay. Mas komportable na po kami ngayon dahil sa safe na po yung bahay namin.
Si Ashley po, sipag din man po mag-aral. Kaya nga lang, malayo yung nag-aaral nila. Kailangan nila sana ng pamasahe. Wala naman. Kaya magtiis na lang. Sabi ko nga, magtiis na lang kayo.
Ako po, Ashley Garcia. 10 taong gulang po. Sak po akong angkop sa skula. Ang pangarap ko po ay guro para magturo sa mga bata.
My blindness was used by God so we can always be with Him. So I guess my blindness is such a great blessing.
ANCOP is actually an acronym answering the cry of the poor. One way of really being able to help the poor is to have their children be educated so that when they graduate and they'll be able to be employed, they'll be able to help their families out of poverty.
Pagkakaiba po ng hindi pa po ako ANCOP scholar sa naging ANCOP scholar na po ako ay una, yung nabibili ko na po yung mga kailangan po sa school, yung mga libro po, and parang ito po yung nagbigay ng daan para matupad yung pangarap ko. Part po ako ng high school cornerstone. Ito po ay ang kinabibilangan po ng top 30 performing students po sa high school, and fortunately po napili po ako as ANCOP scholar. Ito po yung nagbigay ng daan po sa akin para mapasok naman po sa College of St. Benil. Ganun na lamang yung kagustuhan kong matapos na yung kahirapan sa aming pamilya dahil ayokong maging cycle na lang yung poverty sa pamilya namin.
When I got blind, that's the start. I realized how the education important in my life. Every time I feel down, I keep saying that maybe God chooses me to help my fellow blind people in the future.
If you give them a house or a home where it's clean and they are able to really enjoy that this is their own home, then it will bring back their dignity and they'll be able to go out there and be able to say that yes, I am also a person that can and will be part of society.
Ang pagbabago po na sa aming pamumuhay po ngayon, mas masaya na po kami dahil may sarili na po kaming bahay, hindi tulad ng dati na nakikitira lang po.
The indigenous people, these are people who normally would not have any dwelling place. So we put them into villages where they can get to know one another and be able to help one another.
Mula nung tinulungan kami ng ANCOP, pinaaral nila yung mga bata. Pangarap ko sa aking anak, karoon ng magandang buhay.
People are willing to help. They just need a vehicle wherein they'll be able to put their money to help. We'd like to thank the many partners that we've had in ANCOP, the many members of different communities, and I'd like to mention the community that is started ANCOP, which is Couples for Christ, and the many corporations, the many people all over the world helping ANCOP.
No words can truly express how thankful I am to your kind heart and generosity.
Ako pasalamat po ako sa ANCOP dahil tinutulungan po ako mapag-aral at binigyan po kami ng bahay. Sana po marami pa po kayong matulungan katulad po.
For my sponsors in ANCOP, thank you for supporting me and I hope to see you soon.
Salamat din po ako sa tumulong sa amin sa ANCOP. Binigyan kami ng tirahan na matibay, saka nag-aral nila yung mga bata namin.
Maraming salamat po sa CFC ANCOP. Thank you CFC ANCOP. God bless you and more power po.
Sometimes you cannot even explain it, but you feel that you've helped somebody. Simple joy of being able to see them improve their lives. I think you cannot buy that. The happiness that you will be able to experience, the joy that you'll be able to have. The Lord has blessed all of us, especially the partners, and I'm sure you'll continue to support this wonderful project that the Lord has given to all of us.